This is end of chapter 8, problem 8.06 from the CFA Institute textbook, Corporate Finance, A Practical Approach. And here we're given some information about a company that uses trade credit with terms of 210 net 50, and they pay their account on the 50th day. And we want to know the effective cost of skipping the discount. Now there's two measures of the cost of trade credit. There's the nominal measure and the effective measure, okay, or the nominal rate and the effective rate. The nominal rate, you take the discount divided by 100 minus the discount, and then multiply that by how many days of the costly trade credit, how many costly trade credit periods are there in a single year. All right, in this case, the total trade credit period is 50 days, but we take out the 10-day period because that was free. So essentially your loan's from day 11 to day 50, and that's only 40 days. That's the nominal rate. To calculate the effective rate, it recalculates that or recasts it in terms of a compounding. All right, so the calculation for that, you take 1 plus the periodic rate, which would be the 2 divided by 100 minus 2. All right, that's the periodic rate, and then you raise that to the number of periods per year, 365 divided by 50 minus 10, and then subtract back out the 1. All right, I left off a parenthesis. Okay, so with this, what I have is the discount is 2%. The periodic rate would then be equals to 2 divided by 100 minus 2. So that's slightly over 2%. That the equivalent interest rate, and then the number of periods would be 365 divided by 50 minus 10. So there's a little over 9 of those periods during a year. To calculate the nominal rate, periodic rate times the number of periods per year. To calculate the effective rate, 1 plus the periodic rate raised to the number of periods per year minus 1. All right, so notice that the effective rate is going to be slightly higher than the nominal rate, and that the reason for that is the effect of compounding. I personally think this is the right calculation for this, but because you don't really compound the interest on it, each of them is a standalone, but it gives you a more conservative measure of what the actual cost is. And the closest number we get to that is C, 20.2%.